welcome to another Ask Nerida Joy video. I wanted to show you, I'm working in this room here today at this beautiful spa where I happen to work, which is really lovely. But I want to show you something, and on purpose, I covered up the brand name of the steamer because I don't want to, obviously talk bad about a brand name, but I just want to show you something here that I think is really interesting. So here is my facial table, okay, down here. And there you go, there's my facial table right there. If you're choosing to have a facial table that is like a massage table, you want to make sure that when you go to purchase your steamer, that your steamer's arm is a lot longer than this one. Because this one here, once you bring it in onto the table, put it on your client's face, you can't get it all the way in because this is almost too close here then for their shoulder and their arm. So you can't sort of really get it in a place where it's directly hitting the face straight on. So these kind of things, a lot of the time you don't think about unless, unless you're actually working with something, working with a steamer. You don't sort of think about it when you go shopping. But this particular arm on the steamer here is really short. I mean, I don't have really long arms. And this is a really short arm here, and it does not extend. So it doesn't even move in certain directions, but it doesn't sort of go up and down. It just kind of moves around. But just it hits the side and somewhat the middle of the face, but you're never getting it sort of right under here. So I'm just saying this because it's something that's really important. It has a fabulous light, which I love these lights. I mean, they are just so great. And, it does have the different... You can have it really quite high because some people are really sensitive, their eyes to light. So it's nice to have a light where it's, you can really sort of make it a lot softer on the eyes. So that one has, I think, 3 different type levels for the light. But this steam is so interesting. And as you can see, I'm sorry, I've covered up the brand with a towel because I don't, as I said, want to say too much, but just to point out, when you are looking for a steamer, make sure it's got a long arm, especially if you're working on a massage table, because this particular table here that I'm working on, we don't even have the arm of the massage table on that side of the table. We do on the other side over here, we have an arm, but we don't on that side. And because if we had an arm on there, it would even be further out. So it's just something that I wanted to point out and think about and show you my pretty room I'm working in today, which is so lovely. And this is the little patio area. So I hope you are having a wonderful Saturday, and I will be back to see you all again soon. Bye.